Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can insert custom shape in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my document in my Microsoft Word. And first of all, I'm going to go to the insert menu and I'm going to choose shapes. And if you want to insert custom shape, you can select this option guys, free form shape. Okay, and you just need to draw the shape like this with custom form or free form. Okay, and I'm going to draw it again. I'm going to go back to the shape, select this one, and I'm going to create, for example, heart like this. Okay, and you'll be able to change the shape fill. I'm going to choose this one and also the shape outline. Okay, I'm going to change the fill. Oops. I'm going to change the shape fill. Alright, now it's done. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create custom shape in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!